We just like on our promotion ceremony nights, just to get some feedback from the parents, and they're getting ready to start all of their new content starting next week. So just going to see if you had any kind of feedback or comments or suggestions, anything like that for the class.
No, I think overall he's doing good. I think I like the progress he was able to make in 3 months. It's only been like 3, 4 months now. So I think his vocabulary definitely improved. He was becoming more confident reader. That's good. I know we talked about writing last time. So I'm
Yeah.
more confident that his writing would improve as well as we go. One uh, like more like a question or
Mm-hmm.
uh, doubt I have is like he also started third grade in the
Yeah.
school.
Uh-huh.
So I would imagine like eventually when we talked during the enrollment, I heard like the eventual goal is to put him ahead of his class, right? A regular class, right?
Uh-huh.
So since he also starting third grade in the school, regular school too, when would we see him going into more like a fourth grade curriculum or whatever, so that he could stay ahead of the regular school?
Right. So what they do is with those benchmarks that they do often in the homework in the practice class with those
Mhm.
benchmark assessments, when they have met 85% or more of their third grade curriculum, then we can look at moving them into the fourth grade curriculum. Um, and also this course is not as long as a full school season. So the curriculum for fourth grade should be finished. I'm sorry, for third grade would be finished, and we'd move into the fourth grade curriculum before the end of his third grade school year.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That makes
So
sense.
our curriculum generally lasts about 6 months. So we would be moving into fourth grade probably with 3 or 4 months still left of the school year.
Okay. Okay. Makes sense.
And also the writing, we were kind of towards the end of the curriculum, there's not as much writing, but in the beginning of our next set of curriculum, there is. So we will be doing quite a bit of writing coming up as well.
Okay, that's good. I'm glad to hear that. I think, oh yeah, overall on the reading side, it definitely improved a lot. I know like in April, he was kind of struggling to read books. He used to bring those like big Dogman books, but then he was
Uh-huh.
kind of a little bit struggling. I used to read with him. Um, so along with the vocabulary that he did here and the paid reading that he used to do a lot,
Yeah.
and then I started following even from the library books, I started following the levels, and he definitely improved a lot. And now he
Great.
could read a lot of those books
Great.
independently, so that's good.
Oh, that's so good. Yeah. And so we can just continue to improve now going on. So that's awesome. I'm glad to hear that.